Hiya, is that Alex?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Yoli, and welcome to the online classroom. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good. Okay, so basically, what we're going to do together is we're going to do all of our lessons in this room. So, firstly, it's important for me to know, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, it's fine.
If at any point you feel you've lost the audio, you can, well, I'll type to you. You can type here. Can you see where I've typed in the chat box?
Yeah, I can see that.
If you have any problems, if you think I can't hear you or something, just send me a message there. And you can see me?
Yep.
Yeah, great. Okay. So what we can do on this classroom is whenever you write something, I can see exactly what you've written. If I upload a sheet, which I can do on the spot, then we'll both be able to see it and write on it. And there's also a few other tools that we can use throughout the lesson, which I'll show you now. There's different shapes. These are all on the icons on the left-hand side. You can probably see which ones I'm using. There's a straight line tool. I can get graph paper up, which usually I do if we needed it. I can rub things out. Good, I can see you're using them. Well, there's even smiley faces. I think you did really well on those. You seem like you understood. So, do you think that you're ready to move on to a harder type of question?
Yeah, let's give it a go.
Okay, I'll write one out for us. Could you read that back to me?
Yeah, sure. So we've got 3x plus 4 equals 12 minus x.
Do you think you could have a go at solving that?
Yeah, I'll give it a go. Like the other one. So what you were saying about sort of splitting, so I'll split it up there. Now I'll deal with the 4 first. So I'm going to minus 4 from...
Everything that you saw in that video clip could be achieved with a free account from WizIQ or Scribbler. I've already signed up for a free WizIQ account, and here's my login screen. So I can see from here on the right hand side I've got a menu where I can create a private course, or I can schedule a live class. Let's go ahead and do that. So I just need to give my class a name. And I can schedule for a date and time in the future, or if I want to launch a class straight away, just hit current date and time. And as I scroll down here, I can add more information about the class if I want to, and I can change the duration and the maximum number of attendees. But I'm going to leave all that as it is and just schedule and continue. Okay, on this screen I can see that my class has been successfully scheduled, so that's great. I've got a link here that I could copy and send to a student to invite them into a classroom, but I'm going to do that from within the classroom. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and launch the class. When you first come into WizIQ, you're presented with this screen where you can set up your audio. However, because I'm going to use Skype for my audio and video, rather than the WizIQ built-in option, I'm just going to hit I'm good to go. At that point, I'll need to then go up here and actually turn off the WizIQ microphone and the WizIQ video, so that when I bring a student in, I'm going to use Skype for those. Before I invite a student into the room, I'm going to prepare the classroom. So let's upload a resource. Up here I can click this button and upload from the desktop. If I go to my desktop, that's the file that I wanted to upload. And WizIQ will now bring that into the classroom. Let's just make that a little larger. And we're ready to invite a student into the room. Iris, I'm going to keep our connection on Skype for our audio and video, but I'm going to bring you into an online classroom so we can have a look at that question.
Okay.
So I'm just going to share this class link with you. I'll copy that link and I'm going to send it to you in Skype. Okay, I can see you've come into the classroom there, Iris, so I'm just going to enable your writing permissions, and you'll be able to therefore write on the whiteboard with your digital pen and have a go at this question. So over to you.
Okay, so the question says, George is 4 feet tall. He uses information to work out how tall he is in centimetres. 1 foot is 30 centimetres. And then he asks, am I tall enough to go on every ride? See, the minimum height, 90, 120, 135 is for one of them. So he won't actually be able to go on that one, will he? He can go on all the rest of them though.